Decide whether, this is chapter 7, section 4, problem 5. Decide whether normal sampling distribution can be used. If it can be used, test the claim about the population proportion P at a given level of significance alpha using given statistics. P is not equal to 0.25. Alpha is 0.01. Sample statistics P hat is 0.23 and N is equal to 200. Okay. Can a normal sampling distribution be used? We can test that out by testing NP. Okay. So in this case, my P is given, Q is 1 minus P 0.75. So I multiply them, N times P, 200 times 0.25 is 50, more than 5, N times Q, 200 times 0.75, 150, that's more than 5. So yes, you can use a normal distribution here. They're both greater than 5. So you can know, so our claim, a null hypothesis is going to be the statement of equality. So the alternative hypothesis are not equal. And it's set up there. Critical region test score. You can use StatCrunch to get that done. Notice here we have a two-tailed test. So the critical significant region, low significance be by half. So it'll be half of 0.01, which will be 0.005. So we can find that to the left-hand side. Stat calculator is normal. 0.005. Click compute. And that gives me the area to the left-hand side. And by symmetry, there's another area on the right-hand side with the same. Okay, with a positive 2.57. So that's the red represents the rejection region. So anything that falls in that region, they're rejecting the hypothesis. It's not there and it falls in here. We don't reject it. So there's another half to this on this side here. In this middle area is where you can fail to reject. So there's our critical values there. And then they ask for that's to find the z-test statistic. So you can find that using StatCrunch as well. In this case, our x is 46 and our n is 200. You can see that right there. See stats, proportion stats, one sample with summary. So we have here what, 46 and 200. We have here 0.25. And then we hit compute. And there's my test statistic and the p-value that goes with it. And there's your z-test statistic that goes there. And there it is there. That's the result. Notice here our test statistic. It's greater than a negative 2.58. So since it's not in the rejection region, we end up failing to reject the null hypothesis. See it here better. See p hat is bigger than the level of significance for a critical value there. We failed to reject. Okay. And that's the end of that one there.